Hello everyone, Tasha is here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how do I make this flower with organza fabric. This is organza fabric and handmade metal stencil. The link is below for tutorial. I'm going to cut with the solder iron using 350 degrees Celsius. Please be careful if you want to try this at home because it's very hot. I put link below if you want to have them. This is how it looks. I make about 4 petals for each bunch. 1 big petal and 3 small petals. Then I make a small hole in the center using the tip of the solder so it won't fray when I arrange them later. Now I'm going to make a texture manually. I just fold it like this and twist it like this. This is how it looks. And one more time with the small petal, fold it like this and twist. Now I insert the small petal through this artificial stamen. Add one more and one more, then 1 big petal, 4 petals each bunch. Then I insert this bunch to this artificial flower stem. This is how they look. I'm going to do it one more time. Arrange 3 small petals and 1 big petal and attach to the flower stem like this. And this is the last bunch. It's done. Here how it looks, very neat and beautiful. And this is where the inspiration came from. I buy flowers, then I make something similar with or without modification. Thank you so much for watching and hope you get benefits from this tutorial. Have a nice day.